Denso has 60 years of experience producing high-quality and high-performance spark plugs. Spark plugs are at the heart of the engine's operation. They have the critical task of providing a powerful spark at exactly the right time to ignite the air-fuel mixture. If the spark is too weak or the timing is not correct, this will cause poor ignition of the mixture, which results in misfires that then lead to a loss of power, higher emissions, and increased fuel consumption. To create the spark, a high voltage is supplied by the ignition coil. And as the voltage increases, the air between the electrodes, which is normally insulating, now becomes ionized to conduct electricity. This then allows the high voltage to create a spark across the gap between the two spark plug electrodes. The spark's high temperature then ignites the air-fuel mixture. A flame is created between the electrodes, and the growing flame progressively but rapidly ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Compared with the more traditional type spark plugs, Denso's Iridium twin-tip technology spark plugs can ignite the air-fuel mixture even more efficiently. Because iridium is a high-temperature resistant and hard precious metal, it allows the spark plug electrodes to be produced with much smaller diameters than conventional nickel electrodes. In fact, Iridium twin-tip spark plugs are constructed with center electrodes ranging from just 0.4 to 0.55 millimeters in diameter, while standard type nickel electrodes are typically 2.5 millimeters diameter. These exceptionally small but strong electrodes produce a more concentrated ionization of the air, which allows the spark to be created using lower voltages that reduce the stress on the ignition coil. These smaller electrodes then have a secondary benefit because their reduced size does not block or mask the flame growth in the same way as larger nickel electrodes. The result is that the flame grows quicker, producing a more powerful combustion. Denso Iridium spark plugs provide an improved performance alternative, with improvements being achieved in power, economy, and emissions. Upgrade your spark plugs now to Denso Iridium and experience the best available spark plug performance.